Right, welcome. Today we're going to be installing some rivnuts. So I've already drilled the holes yesterday, which are over there, which we'll see in a minute. And then we're going to get the rivnuts, which I've already got in the garage. We've made up a little, well, it's not really a tool, is it? It's just a nut and bolt. I mean, you can go out and buy the tool if you want to, but for the sake of how many rivnuts I'll probably put in this van, it's really not worth going to buy one. So for the sake of a, I don't know, 30mm long M8 bolt, a nut and a washer, or a £30 tool, you might as well just get the nut and bolt and washer. So anyway, that's what I'm going to have a go at today, and hopefully that's going to be bolting our aluminium framework to the wheel arches of the van, and then I think we'll probably put some more bolts through the floor and straight for our wood floor and our insulation, and then down through the bottom of the van as well. So yeah, we'll do that once we get it all carpeted. We'll do that after, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to make sure that I get the rivnuts in place. I've got my insulation is going to be coming. Once the rivnuts are in place, I'm going to finish insulating the side of the van. I've already seen, already made the door pocket, which you've probably already watched if you're watching this video, possibly. If you haven't seen that one, then I'll put a link in the description here, if I can get that to work, maybe. If not, well, you know, just have a look on my channel and you'll see the other video. And then yes, once we get the installation done, what we're going to do, we'll get the carpeting done, which is going to be a mission. I've done it a couple of times already, but I've got to take this roof out of this van, which I'll show you when we come to do that part. But yeah, it's got a full skyline pop top in this. We'll have to be taking the roof bed out and then carpeting and finishing off the pop top as well. So yeah, so today, getting back to it, let's not go off track here, we're going to be putting some rivnuts in for now, and then we'll see what we do after that. So I'll switch over to the other camera and you'll be able to watch me do it. Thanks a lot. Put some nice protection on here. Pushing, give it good pressure. Right, so the £30 tool is probably a bit easier. I'll give you that, but right, we should be able to just undo this nut now. There we go. Rivnut. Right, cutting the aluminium for the toilet bit. So that's the other upright bit. Just going to fit in about there. Join to that. That's the bit that's going to fit inside the step of the van and enable us to get our 435mm deep toilet in there. So that'll be the toilet in there. That'll be toilet out. Yeah, it's going to work. should just fit that. Oh, as if I'd made it. Too good. Yeah, so that's the thing we've made. It has taken so much time and it's still not finished, but it's getting there. You can hang your hammock off it, no trouble. So Saturday afternoon update. What we've got to do now is we've got to take this shelf back off, and we've marked up where it's going to fit through up there where these brackets are here, and we're going to put some rivnuts up there. We've marked all the holes. All we've got to do now is take it back off, drill some holes, put some rivnuts in, and maybe adjust them brackets a little bit. Always a problem. We will overcome it. Yeah, so the trouble is the rivnut's going to be sitting straight in there. Yes, constant battle. That will be put up closer to that top base there anyway. That bracket's not in the way. It fits up nice, not that one. Fits really good up there. Yeah. And tweak it up after. Bit of jiggery pokery adjustments. Yeah, quite pleased with it. I think I'm going to put an LED strip in the back there. That looked quite good. Hopefully it's going to go in there somehow. But once we get this aluminium built, yeah, take it all back out. That's the other stuff. Try the kites in there, but if we put them in smaller bags, they'd fit under there quite nicely out of the way, and that's a bit of a plus. So once we get a bit further along, we'll be able to plan out a few other bits. Yeah, that's it for now. Right, I'm going to cut a bit of wood now. Go on top of the old bench. I'll just take you in and show you the bench. Then we're going to take it out, if we can. Well, we can. Right, so we've got the bench there. That one's already got the wood on top, ready for the cushioning. Got the pop top up today. Nice bit of air in here. There's only 2 bolts holding that in at the moment, so we'll whip that out, get it covered. let's crack on. Right, we've cut the bit of wood going on top of the bench. It looks pretty cool. Might actually put a split in it yet. I think in the end I'll probably put a join in here so we can have that bit probably fixed. Maybe hinge it, but definitely the back part will have a hinge on it. Because the toilet's going to be fitting underneath here, so there'll be a drawer for it to slide out of. I think that's good use of the old floor anyway, not wasting anything, so perfect. 12mm, perfect to put the cushions on before we get it all upholstered, all pretty stuff. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. And we've got the bottom in for the oven now, so I think the next job is to done a bit of alignment on that as well, so we've got that nice and square. I'm going to try the oven in there, make sure I'm happy with that 100%, and then I'm going to make some brackets and we'll get that fixed in place. Well, not the oven in, but we'll get the board fixed in place and then see how the oven sits. Getting everything ready to get it all, take it all back out again, and then we can commence the carpeting, which will be fun. But we'll crack on, making the most of the time off, so yeah, let's get on with it.